What you do with your life? Get your education, boy. Online Tutoring Services. Subscribe to A's Online.
Alright, welcome back to A's Online Virtual Classroom. I am Andre and we are bringing these videos to help you get your education as exams get closer. So make sure and hit the subscribe button because we have a lot of videos coming your way as mathematics takes a lot of practice. And we know repetition helps things to stick. So we're going to take a look today at bisecting a 90-degree angle. Last time we looked at constructing a 90-degree angle. So we're going to take a 90-degree angle now and cut it in half. Bisecting it, giving us 45 degrees, which is just another one of the angles that we have to learn for exam. There are about 4 more that we have to be able to do, plus you have to be able to draw and construct complete polygons given length of sides and given angles. Alright, so we're going to take a look today at, as I said before, bisecting the 90 degree, giving you the 45. So we're going to get a bigger view and get a full description as we go along. So be sure, if you have the geometry set, you can grab it quickly with your compass, ruler, sharp pencil, eraser, and that's it. Alright, so we're going to get a full screen and get the video running. Alright, so what we have happening here right now is we're going to cut the 90-degree angle into 2 equal halves, and we're doing that by bisecting the 90-degree angle and cutting it in half, going right up the center like that. So there is a process to bisect any angle, and as we do the other angles, you'll see we kind of repeating ourselves. So we're using our compass and our pencil. Make sure your compass and the tip of your pencil, tip of the compass and the tip of your pencil line up exact. And what we're doing here is we're opening our compass to any width. It doesn't matter how wide. Just make it a little not too wide, right? So we're going to make a semicircle that is cutting the 2 lines that make up our angle. Bam. So well, it's not really a semicircle, it's a piece of a circle, it's an arc, and it's cutting the 2 lines of the angle. And then you take your compass again, it doesn't matter how wide, and you take a pointy part, and the part that touching the line that you just cut, you're going to line it up exact. And once it's lined up exact, you're going to make a curve or arc on top like that. Don't adjust your compass. Keep your compass the same size. You go up to the other part where the curve touched your line that form your angle, and carefully you're going to draw an arc to intersect the previous line we just drew. And then you just have to take now a ruler and a nice sharp pencil, and please take your time. Take a minute if you have to. Line up your point with your intersection, your X to the top. Make sure you get it straight, and then you draw, and there you have your 90-degree angle that is cut in 2, giving you 45 degrees right there. And that's it. So we're going to take the protractor now and just measure it up. Let's see, let's make sure we have it straight, and yeah, take a minute just to make sure you're straight. So once you draw your angle in exam, Don't use the protractor to draw the angle, but draw the angle, well, measure the angle after you drew it. Make sure your answer is correct, as accurate as you can get it. $45 degrees. $45, done. All right, so that's how we draw our 45-degree angle. Run it again. Get some paper, get yourself a geometry set if you don't have one, and try it out. These questions come in exam, and they could be an easy, I think about 8 or 9 marks by the time you finish a question like this. So that's it for today. We are going to look at the other angles in some later videos, so be sure to subscribe and check out all our previous videos on our channel. We have mathematics tips, we have a series preparing students for SCA 2021, and so much more. So my name is Andre. This is Ease Online Virtual Classroom, where you come to get your education. I will see you another time for some more angles.
What you do with your life? Get your education, boy. Online Tutoring Services. Subscribe to A's Online.